If you were already planning to buy hosting, wait a second, because this Hostinger coupon code deal can save you much more than most people expect. And in this quick Hostinger review, I'll explain why it's considered one of the best web hosting options available right now. When you open Hostinger using the link in the description or scan the QR code on your screen, you'll automatically activate an extra 20% discount plus 3 extra months during checkout. Most people only see offers with around a 10% extra discount online, but my link gives a full 20% extra discount together with 3 additional months, which makes a noticeable difference in the final price. If the website is showing prices in a different currency, simply click the flag icon in the top right corner, choose your country, and the pricing will switch instantly. In this Hostinger review, the biggest advantage is how easy everything feels while still giving you strong website performance. You get fast speeds, a free domain, free SSL, daily backups, and light-speed servers designed for better optimization. The Hostinger website builder is also beginner-friendly. That combination of affordability, speed, and simplicity is why Hostinger is often considered one of the best web hosting platforms for creators, bloggers, businesses, and beginners. And every plan is protected by a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you can try it without taking any risk. Adding the extra 20% discount together with the 3 bonus months helps lower the total cost by a pretty significant amount. Just use the link below or scan the QR code to activate the offer instantly. And once your project grows, Hostinger also gives you advanced solutions like Hostinger VPS, Hostinger Horizons, Hostinger OpenClaw, and Hostinger N8N for more flexibility and scalability. To get the full savings available today, just use the link below or scan the QR code to activate the offer instantly.